You are welcome to class this moment. Let's try and come together to solve the question on the board. Divide 2x cubed plus 11x squared plus 17x plus 6 by 2x plus 1. This question is an example of a polynomial, and we're going to use a long division method to solve this now. Let's move on. Put this there, 2x cubed plus 11x squared plus 17x plus 6. This is what we call dividend. And whatever I want to use to divide is what we call divisor. This 2x plus 1. All right, you don't have to rush it. The logic here is this. You consider this 2x to be divided with this. At the first instance, look at this 2x cubed divided by 2x. Can you see? This we cut this. This single x, why this x in 3 places? When you remove one, it remains x squared. Can you see now? The x squared, put it here, x squared. This same x squared, use it to multiply everything that is here. So x squared multiplied by 2x will still give you 2x cubed. Can you see? This plus is this. X squared multiplied by 1 will give you x squared. All right. The next thing to do now is you want to subtract everything you have under here from what you have up. Exactly now. So put minus here. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed will give you 0. So you have 11x squared minus, what do you have under that 11x squared? You have x squared. All right. So this plus, so you have 11x squared plus times minus give you minus. So you have x squared. 11x squared minus x squared will give you what? 10x squared. You have 10x squared. Is that taken out? So you clean this. Now, you are done with this. The next number here is what? Plus 17x. All right. So again, this versus this. You have 10x squared divided by what? 2x. 2x. Is that clear? 2 here 1, 2 here give you 5. This single x divided by this, it remains single x. So what do you have up here? 5x. 5x is what you have. So but that 5x is plus 5x. So you have plus 5x. This same 5x, use it to multiply everything you have here. So 5x multiplied by 2x. 5x multiplied by 2x. 5 times 2 give you what? 10. X times x give you what? X squared. Exactly now, that's 10x squared. Put the 10x squared here. All right. Plus times plus gives you plus. 5x times 1 gives you what? 5x. You are done with that. So underline, we want to subtract this from this. 10x squared minus 10x squared give you what? 0. So what do you have here? Plus 17x minus, what do you have under? Plus 5x. This is just like 17x minus times plus give you what? Minus. You have 5x. All right. 17x minus 5x, you have what? 12x. So this 12x is going to be here. 12x. Is that clear now? All right. So the last number here now is what? Plus 6. Again, this 12x versus this. So you have 12x divided by this 2x. 2 here 1. 2 in 12 gives you what? 6. This 8 costs this. So you have only what left? 6. That's plus 6. Put a plus 6 here. All right? Use this plus 6 again to multiply all your divisor. 6 multiplied by 2x will give you what? 12x. Plus times plus give you what? Plus. 6 times 1 give you what? 6. Then you deduct them from each other. Can you see now? Look here now. 12x minus 12x, it will give you 0. So you have plus 6 minus, what do you have under? Plus 6. So this is 6. Minus times plus minus, you have 6. Can you see now? 6 minus 6 give you what? 0. In this case now, when you look at it, your divisor is 0, your remainder is 0. This is your divisor, this is your quotient. You can interpret your answer. 2x plus 1 is what we call divisor. 0 that you have there is your remainder. And then what you have here, x squared plus 5x plus 6 is what we call your quotient. So, and this is what we call dividend. All right, I hope you really enjoyed this class. Please make sure that you like, you share, and you comment. If you have any questions touching this, send it to the comment section. And if you need one-on-one mentorship to get the best result in your forthcoming Jamb, WAEC, NECO, GC, send a message to my comment section. Till I come your way the next class. Bye for now.